Hey guys, it's Kyra from KyraWilliamsFitness.com, and today we are doing bicycle crunches. When we do bicycle crunches, we are going to lie back and we are going to support our head with our hands so that way our neck isn't doing all of the work. We are going to bring our knees up to 90 degrees and we are going to bring our left elbow towards our right knee, getting a good crunch in the oblique area, and then we are going to go to the other side. Just going back and forth. We might pause. We're going to go back and forth, getting a nice oblique workout. So for more ab exercises like this, sign up for online training at KyraWilliamsFitness.com.